YouTube, what's going on? I am the Almighty Wolf Soul Kicks 14, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everybody. Got a quick pickup I wanted to show. I know these are not the traditional Air Jordans and Yeezys of our time, but without being too pedantic, without being too loquacious, let's get right into the action. These are the Champion Hyper C Raw. I picked these up at Macy's for 50 bucks. Yes, sir, 50 bucks. Let's see how these look. Ooh. Man, these are not that bad. I know people are like, these are Champion, these are garbage, but for 50 bucks, I'm definitely gonna scoop these up. Might wear them to the gym or something like that. Yep, yes sir. Let's check out the other one. I mean, these are not that bad. I mean, 1100 for the Balenciagas or 50 bucks for some Champions on the humbug. Check out that outsole. Then we're gonna go ahead and put these on feet, man. Yep. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Deuces.